Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your ThinkPad docking station is not working properly with the Mac, you may notice that displays are not detected, accessories fail to connect, or charging and data functions do not operate as expected. Compatibility settings, cable issues, software requirements, and connection problems can all affect how a ThinkPad docking station communicates with a Mac. The good part is that many of these issues can be resolved with a few quick checks before considering more advanced troubleshooting. In this video, we'll go through several simple steps that may help restore functionality between your ThinkPad docking station and your Mac. Try these. Step 1. Reconnect the ThinkPad docking station to the Mac. Step 2. Check the cable used with the ThinkPad docking station. Step 3. Restart the Mac connected to the ThinkPad docking station. Step 4. Verify power to the ThinkPad docking station. Step 5. Update software related to the ThinkPad docking station. Step 6. Test devices through the ThinkPad docking station again.